Ladies, let's have a heart-to-heart. We've all been there. You spend 30 minutes perfecting your face in the morning, you look in the mirror at 2 p.m., and, yikes. Your foundation is sliding, your pores look like craters, and you've got creases under your eyes that weren't there before. It's not your skin, and it's probably not even your foundation. It's your powder. In the USA alone, we spend billions on beauty, yet most of us are using the wrong products for our skin type. Today, I'm ending that cakey-faced struggle forever. I've tested dozens of Amazon bestsellers to bring you the top 21 game changers that actually work in real-life humidity, under office lights, and for 4K selfies. From the $4 drugstore miracle to the red carpet secret that every celeb MUA in LA is hiding, we're covering it all. I've linked every single one in the description below so you can grab the one for your skin before they sell out. Stick with me, because number 5 and number 4 are about to change your morning routine forever. Let's get you that Airbrushed glow. First up, the L'Oreal Infallible Blur-fection. If you hate flashback in photos, listen up. This is a 24-hour wear, talc-free loose powder that specifically uses a light pink tint to brighten dull skin. It doesn't just set your makeup, it literally blurs fine lines like a digital filter. It's hypoallergenic and vegan, making it a dream for sensitive skin. It absorbs shine without that heavy, cakey feeling we all dread. If you want that bright, awake look that lasts from your morning coffee to your late-night Netflix binge, this is it. What's your biggest makeup struggle, oily shine or makeup creasing? Tell me below. Next, an absolute legend, the Laura Geller Balance-n-Brighten. This isn't your average powder, it's a baked foundation handcrafted in Italy. It features color-correcting swirls that actually adjust to your skin tone. It's infused with white tea and Centella Asiatica, which is why mature skin types obsess over this. It gives a demi-matte finish that covers redness and uneven spots while feeling like you're wearing absolutely nothing. It's the ultimate your skin but better product. Have you ever tried a baked foundation before? Comment Italy if you're a fan. Now, let's talk budget-friendly brilliance. The e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder is only $7, but it performs like a $40 luxury brand. This is a translucent, pressed powder designed specifically for on-the-go touch-ups. It's finely milled and silky, perfect for blurring pores and filling in those tiny imperfections. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. If you're a student or someone who needs a reliable, portable matte fixer that fits in a tiny clutch, you need to add this to your cart immediately. What's the most you've ever spent on a single makeup product? I want to see those numbers, drop them below. K-beauty fans, this one's for you. The LANEIGE Neo Blurring Powder. This is premium skincare meeting high-performance makeup. It's infused with blue hyaluronic acid, so while it's absorbing oil for up to 10 hours, it's actually keeping your skin hydrated underneath. The no-spill packaging is a total lifesaver for your handbag. It gives a soft focus, photogenic finish that doesn't settle into wrinkles. It's $25, but it's refillable, making it a win for your wallet and the planet. LANEIGE, is it worth the hype? Comment if you love it. If you have oily skin, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless is your new best friend. It uses perlite mineral technology to literally soak up oil the moment it hits your skin. We're talking 16 hours of shine control. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, and it comes in over 20 shades. At around $6, it's the most cost-effective way to get a professional, poreless finish every single day. You can wear it alone for a natural look or over foundation for a full glam beat. What shade are you? I'm natural beige. Let's see if we have any shade twins in the comments. We have to talk about the GOAT, Airspun Loose Powder. This has been a staple since 1935. Why? Because the microspun formula creates a cloud-like texture that hides everything from fine lines to blemishes. It's talc-free now, which is a huge upgrade, but it still gives that heavy-duty, velvety finish. It's the best for baking your concealer. You get a massive 1.2-ounce jar for under $7. That's a value that literally no other brand can beat in 2026. Did your mom or grandma use Airspun? My mom still swears by it. Comment legacy if you remember this scent. For my full glam girls on a budget, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Baking Powder is a must-have. It's designed specifically to prevent flashback in photos, so you won't get those weird white patches when the flash hits. It has SPF 10 and a silky texture that feels way more expensive than $6. Whether you're baking under your eyes or just setting your T-zone, this delivers a professional, soft focus filter that lasts all day long. It's vegan, paraben-free, and an absolute Amazon bestseller for a reason. Do you bake your makeup or just set it? Tell me your technique below. If you want full coverage that still looks like skin, the Laura Geller Double Take is a game changer. This features active mesh technology and jojoba seed oil to keep the skin hydrated while providing a serious matte finish. Here's the pro tip: use it dry for medium coverage, or dampen the sponge for a full coverage foundation effect that hides redness, age spots, and acne. It's anti-aging, it's long-wearing, and it never, ever cracks. This is the secret weapon for anyone who wants to look polished in under 2 minutes. Matte or dewy, which side are you on? Let's settle this in the comments. Want the glow without the grease? Meet the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This loose powder contains real sapphire powder to blur pores while leaving a radiant, soft focus finish. It's the perfect middle ground for people who hate a flat matte look but don't want to look oily. It's weightless, keeps your makeup fresh, and is 100% vegan. For $9, you're getting that high-end, lit from within look that usually costs 3 times as much. Rate your glow on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's see those scores. Now, for my clean beauty lovers, CoverGirl Clean Invisible. This is a talc-free, 100% natural pigment powder with only 15 essential ingredients like oat kernel flour and kaolin clay. It's perfect for sensitive or acne-prone skin because it's so breathable and non-comedogenic. It's virtually invisible on the skin but works overtime to control shine. Plus, the packaging is eco-friendly. It's the perfect, clean finish to your everyday routine for under $6. Is clean beauty important to you? Comment clean if you check your ingredients. Continuing from our viral beauty countdown, we are diving into the heavy hitters, the products that professional makeup artists and top-tier influencers swear by to achieve that walking filter look. If you want your makeup to stay locked through a hurricane, you need KimChiChic's Puff Puff Pass. Created by the legendary Kim Chi, this powder is engineered for the stage but perfected for your everyday life. It's formulated with vitamin E and oil-absorbing rice powder. This isn't just about setting, it's about baking to perfection. It comes with the fluffiest velour puff you've ever felt. At $22, you're getting a massive jar that lasts for months. It leaves a long-lasting, sophisticated matte finish with zero white cast. It's 100% vegan, PETA certified, and essentially magic in a jar. Who here loves baking their makeup? Comment bake or dust to let me know your style. Next is a 20-year legend, bareMinerals Original Foundation. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, this is your holy grail. It's made with only 5 clean minerals and features SPF 15. This isn't just a setting powder, it's a buildable foundation that takes years off your appearance. The secret is the swirl, tap, buff method, which activates the minerals, turning them from a powder to a silky cream on your skin. It's $39, but for a product that actually improves your skin health while you wear it? It's an investment in yourself. Have you been a bareMinerals fan for years? Tell me how long you've been using it in the comments. For the busy girl who's always on the move, the Revlon ColorStay Pressed Powder is a 16-hour shine control miracle. Infused with silk powder and orchid extract, this formula is weightless and oil-free. It's perfect for those midday touch-ups when your T-zone starts to act up. At under $10, it's a drugstore gem that rivals luxury brands for longevity. It won't clog your pores, and it blends seamlessly over foundation or bare skin. What's the one item always in your purse? For me, it's this compact. Drop yours below. If you want that glow from within, but hate glitter, meet the e.l.f. HD powder in soft luminance. This uses kaolin and silica to create a soft focus effect that masks fine lines and imperfections instantly. It's a loose powder that feels like silk and leaves a radiant, not oily, finish. It's $7, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is exactly what you use when you want your skin to look blurred and airbrushed in natural daylight. Can you believe this is only $7? Smash the like button if you love an e.l.f. bargain. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder is arguably the best-selling setting powder in the world for a reason. It's mineral-based and specifically designed to control shine while adding a subtle hint of color. For my fair-skinned viewers, the Fair Light shade is a masterpiece. It never looks ashy or orange. It's been a go-to for millions of people for over a decade because it delivers a luxury airbrushed finish for just $8.49. Is Maybelline your favorite drugstore brand? Comment Fit Me if it's in your routine. Dermatologists often recommend this next one, Physicians Formula Mineral Wear. It is 100% talc-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic. If you suffer from redness or breakouts, this is a breathable, satin-finished powder that provides SPF 16 protection. It's clean beauty before clean beauty was even a trend. For $12.48, you get an undetectable finish that feels like you're wearing nothing at all. Sensitive Skin Squad, where you at? Give me a raising hands in the comments. Now we enter the Holy Grail territory. The Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Made from the finest French cashmere talc, this is the gold standard of the beauty industry. It sets your makeup for 16 hours and controls shine for 24. It's the powder that doesn't oxidize, doesn't look patchy, and never gives flashback. Yes, it's $43, but there's a reason every professional kid on earth has a jar of this. It is the definition of a flawless, soft focus matte finish. Is this the goat of setting powders? Comment yes or no, let's settle the debate. The supermodel secret is finally out, Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is a luxury pressed powder infused with rose wax and sweet almond oil. It doesn't just sit on your skin, it hydrates and blurs simultaneously. It's like a real-life Photoshop tool in a gorgeous rose gold compact. If you want that red carpet filtered look that feels weightless, this is the $49 investment your makeup bag deserves. Would you spend $49 for poreless skin? Comment worth it or too much. Back to the essentials. CoverGirl Clean Matte is the ultimate oil control staple. It's specifically formulated with powerful oil absorbers to keep you shine-free for 8 hours. It's non-comedogenic and oil-free, making it the perfect budget pick for teenagers or anyone dealing with oily skin. For under $7, it's a dependable, portable solution that keeps your skin looking smooth and clean all day long. Coming in at just $3.97, the Rimmel London Stay Matte is the most affordable powerhouse on our list. It's humidity-proof, sweat-proof, and heat-proof. If you live in a hot climate, you need this in your pocket. It gives up to 5 hours of total shine control and minimizes the look of pores without feeling heavy. It's the ultimate bang for your buck product in the beauty world today. Last but certainly not least, the Makeup Revolution Loose Baking Powder. This went viral because it keeps makeup flawless even in 100-degree humidity. It's a massive 1.12-ounce jar for only $8. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Whether you're baking your highlight or just want a luminous matte finish that won't budge, this is the industry's favorite affordable baking powder. It's a total game changer for long wear looks. Stop settling for makeup that quits before you do. Whether you're a busy mom in the suburbs, a corporate boss in the city, or just someone who wants to look their best for brunch, you deserve a finish that stays flawless. Here is your mission: check the description box right now. I've organized all 21 products by skin type, oily, dry, mature, and budget-friendly, to make it easy for you to skim and click. Don't wait, because these Amazon deals fluctuate daily. Before you go, if this video saved you from another bad makeup day, smash that like button. Drop a comment telling me which product you're trying first. I respond to almost every single one. And hit subscribe to join the smartest beauty community on YouTube. Stay prepared, stay beautiful, and remember, your skin is a canvas. Let's make it a masterpiece. I'll see you in the next one. Sparkles.